Now we will learn about functions of Golgi apparatus. So starting with the first function is secretion. So we will learn about this with the help of this diagram. ठीक है? So first of all, this is endoplasmic reticulum, and these are the vesicles which are forming from endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so now these are receiving by सिस फेस ऑफ गोल्गी apparatus, कि जो वेसिकल्स हैं एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के वो सिस फेस में अटैच हो रहे हैं, एंड अल्टीमेटली these are the secretion vesicles which are leaving the plasma membrane. So this is the plasma membrane and these are the vesicles which are leaving plasma membrane. Clear? So this is how secretion occurs. So mainly in glandular cells the secretion occurs only through Golgi apparatus. ये जो ग्लैंडुलर सेल है उसमें मेनली जो secretion किसके थ्रू होती है? Golgi apparatus के थ्रू. So this is about secretion. Clear? Second function is transformation of membrane. So mainly transformation of membrane from one type to the another type is mainly done by Golgi apparatus. ठीक है? Like membrane of endoplasmic reticulum turns into membrane of plasma lemma through Golgi apparatus, and endoplasmic reticulum membrane to the lysosomal membrane through Golgi apparatus. Clear? So third function is glycoproteins. So end-linked glycoproteins are synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Then it transferred into the lumen of Golgi cisternae. Here certain type of sugars are added, such as mannose, and certain type of sugars are reduced, and कुछ क्या हो जाती हैं? Reduce हो जाती हैं. ठीक है? And ultimately glycosylation of OH group occurs so that these protein become specific type of amino acids. ठीक है? कि जो specific type of amino acid बनते हैं, so ये amino acid specific type of proteins बनाएंगे जो कि certain functions play करेंगे. ठीक है? So this is about glycoproteins. Example of this is mucoproteins. So these type of proteins are formed by proteins and mucopolysaccharides and matrix. Clear है? So mucoprotein is the example of glycoprotein which formed in the Golgi apparatus. Clear? Next function is formation of carbohydrates. कि जो formation है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की वो कहां पे होती है? गोल्गी apparatus में. So mainly simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates are formed in Golgi apparatus. Like in simple, sialic acid and galactose. In complex carbohydrates, pectic compounds, जो pectic compounds हैं वो mucopolysaccharides, hemicellulose. So pectic compounds, mucopolysaccharides and hemicellulose are formed in Golgi apparatus. So that is why Golgi apparatus is known as carbohydrate factory. कि गोल्गी apparatus को हम कार्बोहाइड्रेट फैक्ट्री भी कहते हैं because many types of carbohydrates are formed here. Clear? Next is formation of hormones. So mainly hormones of endocrine gland mediated by Golgi apparatus. Clear है? Next is matrix. So matrix of connective tissue also formed by Golgi apparatus. Clear? Next is pigments are also formed by Golgi apparatus. Example is inchicambrio रेटिनल पिगमेंट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय गोल्गी अपरेटस। ठीक है, कि जो रेटिनल पिगमेंट है चिक एम्ब्रियो में वो गोल्गी अपरेटस के द्वारा क्या होता है, फॉर्म्ड होता है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज टॉक्सिन फॉर्मेशन सच एज इन नेमेटोसाइट्स and stings of some plants. All these contain toxins which are synthesized by Golgi apparatus. Clear? Next is formation of acrosome. So what is acrosome? Acrosome is the tip of sperm. So जो acrosome की formation है वो किससे होती है, Golgi apparatus से. So it is formed by Golgi apparatus by means of its vesicles. कि जो गोल्गी अपरेटस के वेसिकल्स हैं उससे क्या बनता है, एक्रोसोम्स बनते हैं। तो मेनली एक्रोसोम का फंक्शन क्या है, टू डिसॉल्व द वॉल ऑफ एग। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज न्यूरोसिक्रीशन। तो मेनली जो न्यूरोसिक्रीशन के प्रीकर्सर्स हैं वो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में बनते हैं। ठीक है, देन दीज आर ट्रांसफर्ड टू द गोल्गी अपरेटस, जहां पे न्यूरोसेक्रेटरी प्रीकर्सर की पैकेजिंग होती है एंड अल्टीमेटली एक्सोसाइटोसिस। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज फ्लूइड सब्सटेंस। सो गोल्गी अपरेटस इज मेनली यूज्ड टू बैलेंस द सेल, कि ये सेल को बैलेंस करता है। कैसे? क्योंकि जो एक्स्ट्रा फ्लूइड होता है सेल का दैट इज एक्सपेल आउट थ्रू बाय मींस ऑफ द गोल्गी अपरेटस। Golgi apparatus by means of their vesicles, such as example mucus secretion. Clear? So Golgi apparatus helps to maintain the balance of the cell. Next function is vitellogenesis. So what is vitellogenesis? In oocytes of animal, yolk is deposited around the Golgi apparatus. So it acts as a center around which yolk is deposited. Okay, जिसके अराउंड क्या होता है, yolk डिपोजिट होता है. So this process is known as vitellogenesis. So that is why Golgi apparatus is helping in vitellogenesis of the oocytes of animals. Next function is formation of lysosomes. So we will learn formation of lysosome with the help of this diagram. So this is Golgi apparatus from which vesicles are arising. So ये सारे क्या हैं, vesicles हैं. This one and this one. Okay. So vesicle directly goes out from the cell. So this is known as exocytosis. कि जो vesicle है वो सीधा बाहर भी जा सकते हैं. This is known as exocytosis. Next is endocytosis. So what is endocytosis? Through endocytosis, endosomes come into the cell. So this is early endosome. This is early endosome. Then this vesicle combine with this endosome and some part of this goes outside from the cell. Clear? And last is this endosome turn into late endosome. And ultimately late endosome plus this vesicle give rise to lysosome. So first of all जो वेसिकल है वो डायरेक्टली बाहर जा सकते हैं जिसको हम एक्सोसाइटोसिस कहते हैं. सेकंड इज बाय एंडोसाइटोसिस एंडोसोम कम इनटू द सेल. सो पहले ये अर्ली एंडोसोम होता है, उसके बाद इसका कुछ पार्ट वेसिकल के साथ मिलके बाहर चला जाता है. दिस इज आल्सो एक्सोसाइटोसिस. एंड देन from the early endosome late endosome arise, okay, and late endosome plus vesicle turn into the lysosomes. Clear? So this is the formation of lysosomes. Next we will learn about formation of plasma lemma. So membrane of vesicles formed by Golgi apparatus join the region of cytokinesis and turn into plasma lemma. तो उससे क्या बन जाता है, प्लाज्मा लेमा की फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेल वॉल. सो पैक्टिक कंपाउंड of middle lamella and various other polysaccharides are produced by the Golgi apparatus. Clear? So these are the functions of the Golgi apparatus. Next thing we have to do is lysosomes, which we do in our next video. So thank you.